Hey guys, welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we're diving into 13 simple mods you can do yourself for your 4th generation Toyota Tacoma. These 13 simple mods completely level up your 4th generation Toyota Tacoma. All budget friendly, all DIY easy, and everyone solves a real world problem. And Musology's giving you a discount. Use code Smoky Mountain Taco for 20% off anything in their store. Be sure to check my website, SmokyMountainTaco.com, or the description for details. The Tacoma Hybrid doesn't have much storage, like my Trailhunter, so maximizing storage is critical. Let's do this. The Tacoma's bed cubbies and open bed turn into clutter fast, especially if you daily this truck, take it off-road, or use it as a work truck. This Musology truck bed cargo net gives you an adjustable compartment that keeps your gear, groceries, and trail tools right where you put them. Installation's simple. Replace the 10mm bolts with the provided eye hooks, hook the top corners, hook the bottom corners to your tie downs, and you're done. It's flexible, tough, and makes the Tacoma's limited storage instantly more usable. Now there's nothing worse than hearing all your gear sliding around in your truck bed while you drive. This Musology cargo net locks it all down. Groceries, tools, storage cases, junk, whatever you've got. The heavy-duty straps attach in seconds, and the mesh stays tight even off-road. If you have MOLLE panels, like these OEM MOLLE panels from Toyota, it makes it 10 times better. It's one of those simple mods that gives you peace of mind from things flying away in your truck bed. Alright, let's switch to the interior. We're going to be talking about storage and protection. The Tacoma's dash has plenty of space, but none of it's usable. The Musology dashboard box changes that. It clips securely into the upper dash above your head unit, giving you quick access tray for sunglasses, phone, or trail passes. They make it both for the 14-inch and 8-inch screens. Perfect fit, OEM look, and a fix Toyota should have built in. Now let's be honest, spills happen. These Musology cup holder inserts protect against leaks, coffee drips, and road dust. Just drop them in. They fit snug, add grip, and pull right out for cleaning. A small mod that keeps your Tacoma's interior looking brand new. I can't say enough good things about these cup holders. It's a super easy install. I highly recommend it. If you carry valuables, cash, or even a firearm, the stock Tacoma console isn't cutting it. Musology's center console safe adds a steel combo lock vault right inside the console. It bolts down cleanly, solid, stealthy, and gives you peace of mind wherever you park. The included instructions say to assemble everything inside the console, but trust me, that's painful. Here's how I did it instead. First, mount the driver's side bracket outside the truck. I actually use my tailgate as a workbench. Tighten it down with provided tool. Next, drop in the passenger side bracket. Hand tighten the acorn nuts, then finish snugging them with provided tool. Use the puncture tool to get your 3 screws started, then tighten them down. They give you a tiny Phillips screwdriver, but I grabbed a magnetic driver which made it way easier. Once installed, set your 4-digit combo. If you ever forget it, there are recovery instructions, but don't leave those in your truck. Keep them somewhere safe. This mod is one word: genius. Ever wonder what to do with empty space on the sides of your console? Ever have anything drop between your seat and the console and say a few choice words? The Musology hanging storage box gives it a purpose. Quick stash for driving gloves, a wallet, or multi-tool, and it keeps things from falling in between the seat and the console. It's clever, hidden, and installs in seconds. No tools, no drama. Now these small inserts turn your door handles into usable storage, believe it or not. Perfect for pocket knives, keys, chapsticks, stuff you always grab. Once you install these, you'll wonder why Toyota didn't include them. The Tacoma's console has good real estate, but it can be better. Musology turned it into smart storage. The center console organizer adds a hanging tray on the passenger side for their phone, wallet, or keys, and it's a perfect place to store the remote for your rock lights. It's stable even over bumps, and it looks like it came from the factory. Now, if you daily drive your Tacoma, you know that armrest takes a beating. Sun, sweat, scratches, drink spills, everything. The Musology console cover solves that with a padded non-slip sleeve that installs in seconds, and it looks great. It adds comfort, protection, and looks completely factory. And I love this truck design on it. Dirt, dust, and crumbs love finding every corner of your Tacoma. This center console insert protects this hard to clean area and pops out for easy washing. Practical protection for anyone who uses their truck daily. Every Tacoma owner needs a hidden spot. This Musology hidden organizer slides right under your console. Perfect for spare keys, emergency cash, or valuables. The console can get messy fast. This Musology organizer with a built-in coin tray keeps everything sorted. Perfect fit, soft lining, and it lifts out when you need to clean. Cheap, smart, and this is a no-brainer. And I have to say, this one compared to a lot of the other ones out there, this one's number one in my book. And here's a bonus, Musology mud flaps. If you want the TRD Pro look without the TRD Pro price, these are it. Easy install, perfect fit. They clean up the profile of an SR5 Sport or off-road trims. And here they are compared to OEM mud flaps. 13 Musology mods, all budget friendly, all easy DIY, and each one fixes a real problem with a 4th gen Toyota Tacoma. From storage to protection to hidden space, these are the easiest wins for your truck. And huge thanks to Musology for sponsoring this video and supporting the channel. All the links and discount codes are below and at SmokyMountainTaco.com. If you like real Tacoma mods that work, subscribe and let's build smarter. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.